What if the most powerful AI tool stack available right now costs you absolutely nothing? Google has quietly assembled over 30 AI tools, and most people scrolling past them have no idea which ones are worth their attention. More importantly, most people have no idea how to turn any of this into real income. Right now, I am going to change that for you. I am going to hand you a complete map of Google's AI ecosystem, walk you through the tools that actually matter, and give you a system for building a real service business on top of this before your competition even figures out what they are looking at. My name is Paul James, and I help freelancers, consultants, and small business owners use free AI tools to compete with agencies charging way more than they should be able to charge. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you Go High Level, because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is the problem most people run into when they try to navigate Google's AI tools. They pull up a search, find 30 plus results, and immediately feel like they are already behind. So they close the tab and go back to whatever expensive subscription they were already paying for. That is exactly the trap the software companies want you stuck in. Confusion keeps you paying monthly. But what Google has been doing quietly is assembling an entire AI ecosystem that covers every part of your workflow, and almost all of it is free. The challenge is not locating the tools, the challenge is knowing how they connect and which layer to focus on first. That is what today is about. I call this the zero stack system. The idea is straightforward. For every expensive platform you are currently paying for, there is a Google alternative sitting inside this ecosystem at no cost. Once you map it out properly, you stop renting your tools and start controlling your workflow. Let me walk you through it layer by layer, starting at the foundation. At the center of everything sits Gemini. Most people treat Gemini like a basic chatbot, but where it actually separates itself is deep research. If you are doing competitive analysis, preparing deliverables for a client, or pulling information together for a proposal, Gemini's deep research mode is one of the strongest you will find anywhere right now. The paid tier, Gemini Advanced, unlocks a 1 million token context window. That is an enormous processing space that lets you load entire documents, research files, and business plans simultaneously. For freelancers doing high-value strategy work, getting comfortable inside that context window is a genuine edge. Here is where things start to get interesting. Right alongside Gemini in the Google ecosystem sits NotebookLM, and this one is consistently underestimated. Yes, it can produce podcast-style audio summaries, infographics, and video overviews. But what makes NotebookLM matter for service businesses is something specific. It only draws answers from the sources you load into it. There is no contamination from outside training data, no random web references bleeding into your client deliverables. If you upload a company's brand guidelines, their website content, and a competitive analysis, NotebookLM operates entirely inside that material. For client-facing work where accuracy is non-negotiable, that grounding is the whole feature. No other tool handles this quite the same way, and that distinction is worth building a service offer around. Most people never realize this part. Google also has an automation tool inside its ecosystem called Opel. Think of Opel the way you think of Zapier or Make, but tighter and more approachable for someone just getting started. You use Opel to chain Google AI tools together into sequences that run on their own. Once a workflow is set up, the output keeps flowing without you manually triggering every step. That is where your time starts compounding. You build the workflow once and it runs. For freelancers and consultants, that shift from doing to automating is the difference between trading hours for dollars and actually scaling. This part used to stress me out when I was trying to figure all of this out. Automation tools can feel like you need to map every scenario before you even start. But Opel's focused design means most people can get a real working workflow running inside a single session. Now let me point you somewhere most people are completely ignoring. It is called Labs Google. This is Google's preview space where tools get tested before they hit the wider public. Both NotebookLM and Opel started there before anyone knew about them. And right now, sitting inside labs.google, there is a tool called Pimeli that belongs on every service business owner's radar. You point it at a client website, it reads the entire site, and it generates a brand voice document plus branded content, complete with visuals and written copy drawn directly from that site's existing material. For anyone building a social media or content marketing service for local businesses, that workflow cuts delivery time dramatically. You can hand a client a polished content package before a traditional agency even finishes their intake form. Stay with me, because this is where the income side opens up completely. Let me talk about Google's creative tools, because this is where real service pricing lives. Google has an image generation and editing tool that cracked character consistency at a level nobody had pulled off in a free tool before. Character consistency means the same subject looks identical across multiple images, scene after scene. That was a wall for anyone trying to build branded content series or run visual storytelling across a client's posts. Now that wall is gone. Pair that capability with Veo 3, which is Google's video generator that delivers high-quality footage complete with synchronized audio and spoken dialogue, and you have a production output that used to require an entire creative department. Solo operators can now offer a full visual content service that competes directly with agencies spending multiples of your overhead to deliver the same result. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to those free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. On the developer side of Google's ecosystem, there are tools worth knowing even if writing code is not your thing. Google AI Studio is the environment where you can get hands-on with Google's newest models before they go mainstream. Anti-Gravity is Google's AI coding assistant, built to go head-to-head with tools like Cursor, aimed at helping non-developers build real software without needing a technical background. Jules handles coding tasks in the background while you step away. Stitch focuses entirely on website design and front-end interfaces. Even without a developer background, knowing these tools exist means you can offer lightweight software or custom web page builds to clients without outsourcing the work. Here's the twist almost nobody talks about. You do not need to master everything in Google's ecosystem. The zero-stack system works because you choose the layer that aligns with the services you want to sell. Research and strategy work means your core tools are Gemini and NotebookLM. Content creation means the image tool, Veo 3, and Opel handling delivery automation. Lightweight software and landing pages means Google AI Studio and Stitch. Pick your lane, go deep on that layer, build a service around it, and your cost basis stays close to zero while your offer competes with agencies spending thousands per month on their stack. Here is how this plays out in practice. Picture a freelancer who just landed a roofing contractor as a new client. No existing portfolio, no expensive software. They open NotebookLM and load the contractor's website, a few competitor pages, and a batch of customer reviews. Inside one session, they have a complete brand analysis. They take that into Google's image tool and produce consistent branded visuals for the contractor's social pages. They run the whole delivery sequence through Opel so content goes out on a schedule automatically, the client sees a professional operation, the freelancer builds a monthly retainer, and the entire thing runs on tools that cost nothing. That is the zero-stack system working exactly as designed. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you swap your paid subscriptions for this ecosystem. Every dollar you stop sending to software companies goes straight into your margin. Every hour you recover from manual work goes back into serving more clients. The compounding starts quickly once the zero-stack system is built around your specific offer. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. I will see you in the next one.